The products that we manufacture essentially have an impact or end up on a human body, and for us what we need is full traceability right from the material mill to the end of the life cycle of that part. And we believe that for us to carry this technology forward, the only way to do that is to collaborate with customers and regulatory bodies, both nationally and internationally. We want to achieve reliability and consistency in the products that we make, and we're sure that Renishaw can deliver that for us. It's a financial investment long term, not just a short term vision that we're looking at. Well, particularly when you go around to multinational companies and you see all the Renishaw products on the floor, they have a name of being repeatable and reliable and well able to operate in harsh environments consistently. At the moment there's a lot of offline morphological chemistry and mechanical testing that we do, and we want to get away from that in order to reduce our cost of goods on the additive manufacturing products. The Renishaw software for us has been very user-friendly. Graphic user interface is very approachable, and what it does for us is to provide us with all the necessary information in order to stand over the quality of our parts, both from bill log file and bill reports post-process, so we can have full traceability of our parts from start to finish. Essentially, we're developing the software to get to a stage whereby when we approach the additive manufacturing process, it gives you a good or a bad reading. So we just want to see if the part is green or red, if it's good or it's bad. We chose Renishaw as a development partner, not just as a product, whereby we see the next few years being a strategic partnership with Renishaw in growing our additive manufacturing base here in Ireland.